passengers travelling abroad are reminded to check the UK government's foreign travel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please do a thumbs up and let me know if you really love this travel video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and watching my videos. Thank you guys. It's 2 a.m. guys. Okay, it's past 2 a.m. What's our airport? Okay, so we're heading out to Heathrow Airport. Our cab is here. So who will be traveling with me? Okay, touchdown first to the train station, then move. But it's straight to the airport. As we go to the US, so we're at Heathrow Airport. The security check-ins were doing us smiling. Well, it wasn't hectic. It's just we had to drop a lot of our drinks, like the juices we bought for us to be snacking on the plane. We had to drop everything. They said it was even like the littlest apple. Was it apple juice? I forgot the name. Like, you know, those very tiny apple juice that look like all these baby drinks. We couldn't even bring them in. They said it was 150 ml. Like, I couldn't even believe that tiny thing was 150 ml. Or yeah, we've been able to pass all that. We're just waiting for our boarding time, which is by 6:10. Our flight take off by 6:40. Just got to Copenhagen, Denmark. I had a lovely time with the pilot and the co-pilot. Yeah, that's the highlight of my trip. Oh yes, I've not shown you guys the second person I'll be flying with. Yeah, so we are having a 3-hour plus layover before our final flight to Atlanta. Copenhagen to Atlanta, our final destination. Thank you, Jesus. I so want to say, oh my God. Life in Atlanta, Georgia, with my family. So just waiting for our aunts to come get us, then we'll be on our way. I'm so tired, like tired is even an understatement. I'm exhausted, I want to sleep, but then I feel like I've slept so much that my head already aches. So I'll be fine. Hey, see my beautiful auntie. Good to see you, Mom. I know. Hello. Yay. First time in my life. Really? Are crazy. Yes.
We actually met them, but you're baby.
Where?
So
I think we have like all baby pictures.
Yeah.
But that one doesn't count.
It doesn't count.
No, Alpha was like 6 months old. It doesn't count. exhausted. Need to shower, need to brush, need to eat, need to sleep, because it's going to be a whole whirlwind of business tomorrow. I really loved my cousin's entrance. Like, it was the highlight of the reception. Like, can you see where he's spraying that money? Oh my god. His entrance was just dope for us. We really loved it. And also my cousin, the one that is dancing, like, I see her break dance. Oh shit. This was also one of my cousins. Ash was dropping it, giving it to us. I see that leg work, see that leg. Oh shit. This was North Carolina. We're going to see my cousin and my aunt and just spend some time with them. Guys, I forgot my passport and my BRP, so I had to like go through a lot of security questions just to pass through. And we came to Yard House just to have some good time and meet up with my cousin that I haven't seen in a long while. It was really fun. So happy I got to see him. And yeah, we just stared and we had this starter meal. I really didn't like it, but it was okay. So yes, it was time to say our goodbye. We're going back to Atlanta here, and off we go. Back at Atlanta, and I was just taking this time to relax, take pictures, just freshen up. And we're going for shopping, and I saw Bumblebee. I was so happy. These were at Costco to get some things, taking more pictures, came to Burlington to shop for more things to take back home, and we're hungry, so we stopped at Freddy to do a drive-through for like some snacks. and this was a complex. We went to like the various stores to get something. Just time for us to go back to the UK. We were packing, saying our goodbyes, taking pictures. You know, we just wanted a memory of like the places we've been, and we're at the airport. This was by like 5. Our flight was for 8:15, I guess. So yes, at this point I was quite tired. As you can see in the video, like I was not even laughing, I was not smiling. So yes, it was time to board, and I think boarding time was by 7:30. Yes, so we're already boarding here. Time for takeoff.